In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone location. So if your iPhone location is not coming up or you're trying to use maps, but it keeps telling you need to allow location services on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix this on your iPhone. This works on all iPhone using iOS 16, iOS 17, and the latest iOS 18. So if at the end of this video you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, there are two ways or two approaches that you need to take when you're trying to fix your iPhone location. It's advisable to turn on location services and significant locations. So if you visited some crucial places, your iPhone can easily store this on your iPhone so that when you want to refix them again, you can easily take a look and find them on the maps. So to do this, just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Then under privacy and security, you should see location services. Click on this and turn this on. Then if location services is disabled, you need to turn on location services to fix location on your iPhone. So once you turn on that, you're going to see all applications that are using the location services on your iPhone. Now, to turn on significant location on your iPhone, all you just need to do is click on System Services. Then scroll down. Under System Services, locate significant locations and tap this. Then you wanted to confirm your Face ID, and you're going to see significant locations turned on. And here are my records. I have about 138 records. And here you can just see all your recently visited location services on your iPhone. So you see that? Now that's yet another way you can use to fix location services not working or fix location services on your iPhone. Now, if you particularly want to fix location services on a particular application to grant access to the application whenever you're using the app, such as WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, or even Telegram, all you just need to do is go to the settings and privacy page on your iPhone. So go ahead and click on that. Select location services and see all the applications that are using your location services here. Then as you can see, I have a few applications here, including Snapchat, WhatsApp. Now to fix location services for this particular application on your iPhone under location services, select the application. So let's say WhatsApp, and then you're going to see never, ask next time, or when I share, why using the application or always. So if you turn on always, this is going to allow WhatsApp to always track your location and fix location not available. But if you don't want WhatsApp to track your location, just use why using the application. Then turn on precise location if this is disabled. With that turned on, WhatsApp will be able to track your current location whenever you are using the application or you try to share your precise location or current location on the platform. So just like this, then click on location. Then this is going to allow WhatsApp to be able to track your current location or share live location while using the application. For live location, just tap live location, then you're going to see does not have access to location while in the background. Then you need to go to settings, location, and then select always. You see that? Then under the WhatsApp application here, just make sure you go to location and then select always. Then now come back here. Then how long do you want to share your live location? For 15 minutes, then send this. Then this is going to share your live location on WhatsApp. So you need to repeat this for all the applications you have on your iPhone to make sure you fix location not available for the particular application. At the same time, you can go through the app section. Then on the apps page, locate the application whose location you want to fix. So let's say you want to fix the iMessage location, click on that. Then if location function is available here, go ahead and turn on location. But for the sake of this, let's check the WhatsApp application here. Click on WhatsApp, then location, and then turn on always. And then don't forget to turn on precise location. So you need to repeat this on all the applications whose location you want to turn on or fix on your iPhone. So this is basically how you can easily fix location not working or inability to access location on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.